Hello friends, in this video we will say how we can use Google reCAPTCHA plugin in Classiera. So first of all, I would like to thanks to Best Websoft, author of this plugin, which we are using in our Classiera theme. So in this video we will see how we can use Google reCAPTCHA option in Classiera. So as you know, when you will install theme and you will install required plugin, so Google reCAPTCHA plugin will be installed in WordPress. So if you have not provided Google keys and you have not done settings, then your login page and register page will not work. So after to install required plugin, you need to come here in Google CAPTCHA settings, and here you need to provide site key and secret key. If you don't know how to create, then you can read from here. You can get from here, get the API keys. So you need to enable API for Google reCAPTCHA, and here you need to provide site key and secret key. After to provide these both keys, here you will see WordPress default option. So from here you need to check login and register form, and these two options are not necessary. So after this you need to click here custom forms, and here you will see Classiera login form and Classiera register form. So you must need to check these options, because if you have checked these options, login and registration form, and you have not checked these options, then Google reCAPTCHA will be not shown on login and register page and you will face problem. So then you need to move on WordPress default login page, and there you will see reCAPTCHA plugin, and from there you can login. So if you have planned to use Google reCAPTCHA plugin, then you must need to check these both options, and you need to provide key. And if you don't like Google reCAPTCHA, then just deactivate this plugin, so there will be no issue. So here one more issue I want to describe. If you are using login version 2, this one page, so here Google reCAPTCHA plugin will not work. You can see here we have Google reCAPTCHA, but on this we have multiple forms, and here we have not Google reCAPTCHA option. So if you are using login version 2, then you must need to disable Google reCAPTCHA plugin, because in login version 2 we have not Google reCAPTCHA option. So I hope this video will help you to enable Google reCAPTCHA in Classiera. So let me explain again. After to install theme and required plugin, you need to provide the site key and secret key here, and you need to check these two options: Google login form, Classiera register form, and Classiera login form, and here login form and register form. So here, after to check these, you need to press save changes, and you will see reCAPTCHA option on login and register page. And if you are using login version 2, then you need to deactivate Google reCAPTCHA plugin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.